Local news for Wednesday the 18th of July. If you live, work or holiday in Riversdale, knowing what to do in an emergency is vital. And this Saturday between 10 and 12 at the Golf Club, a workshop on how to prepare and what to do in an emergency is taking place. Buses will be replacing trains on the Wairarapa line today between Wairarapa and the capital. The 10:30 from Masterton to Wellington and the 12:45 from Wellington to Masterton will be bus services as another non-passenger test of 9 carriages takes place on the Wairarapa line. In sport, the Phoenix have beaten Wairarapa United 1-0 in front of a large crowd at Trust House Memorial Park last night. And in hockey this weekend, the Dalefield women are away to Harbour City while the men are at home to Hutt United. And in the Senior Reserve Rugby Top 4, it's home advantage for Tuharangi as they host Puketoi and Pioneer play Carleton in this weekend's semi-finals.